What's up, guys? This your boy Anthony here. Today is going to be a quick video because I'm excited. I told you guys I'm going to keep making mods to my car little by little, and this one has came in finally, and I am so geeked for it. This one, I'm going to just show you guys because this is going to make the car look so dope and unique. I haven't seen no other Camaro in Michigan with it, but I have seen some online, so let me get to it. Yes, you guessed it. I have the Phastek Performance Hero Sequential Taillights. Like, man, like these look so dope in person. Like, the pictures doesn't even justify it. Like, look how clean that looks. Well finished. This has the LEDs. This is the back of it. I cannot wait to put these on. Like, it's been rainy here, so I'm not going to be able to put them on this week, but sometime next week, possibly before the Woodward Dream Cruise, I will have these on, and I can take pictures of them for you guys and show you how it is in action with another video. But I just wanted to share these tail lights with you guys, because man, pictures doesn't even do it justice, and I would just want to do the unboxing so you guys can see it in person. So that's my video. I just wanted to share with you guys how these tail lights that just came in, a new mod that I add to my Camaro to replace the stock tail lights. I'm gonna do another video for you guys on how it looks with the finishing touches, because this should be like a 20-minute install, 30 minutes at most for both sides. And thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to do a before and after with me showing how the Camaro used to look and how it's going to look now with these new tail lights. I'm also going to probably do a video for my Instagram followers for Tail Light Tuesday. That's very big, so they can see the new modification, because I told them about it. I'm getting a new mod added on this week, and hopefully I get to doing the install sometime next week or whenever it stops raining here. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I notice a lot of people is coming to my channel, hitting that subscribe button. Make sure when you also hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon too. And I appreciate you guys for watching all my videos. It means so much to me. And I try to push out good quality content. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you in more to come.